If you are tired of your current wallpaper and think it's time for a makeover, sit tight because I'm going to introduce apps that can help you find the right wallpaper for your iPhone or iPad. Velum Wallpapers. Beautiful, free, hand-picked wallpapers for the iPhone. Hundreds of stunning images are included in the app. And you can change your look every day of the year. With brand new wallpaper added every day, this is the only wallpaper app you will ever need. Clarity Wallpaper. Create, explore, and share elegant wallpapers. Turn your photos into perfect wallpapers in seconds with Clarity's amazing wallpaper editor. Browse and save high-quality wallpapers selected by Clarity or creative illustrations made by official Clarity artists. Unsplash. Search over 450,000 beautiful, free, high-resolution photos that you can save and use for anything. Unsplash takes advantage of drag and drop on iPad. Once you find a photo you want to use, you can drag it to any app that supports drag and drop, like Keynote, Pages, or Notes. Walli Cool Wallpapers HD. This is a creative wallpaper app that makes sure you always have a cool wallpaper at hand. Easily find inspiring and beautiful wallpapers that will make you happy and feel great every time you pick up your phone. The unique and cool wallpapers are exclusively made by artists for your device. Your phone and tablet have never been so good looking. Patternator Live Wallpapers. This is a very unique app, a pattern maker for background GIFs. Create live wallpapers with your cat, dog, or baby. The possibilities are truly endless. Pick a background from a beautiful selection of automatically suggested colors and highly curated color palettes. Save your pattern in HD for amazing quality or as a live photo, video, or GIF, and if you want, share it on Instagram. So with all 5 of these fantastic wallpaper apps, I don't think anyone that wants to change their wallpaper will be disappointed. I'm absolutely sure there will be a wallpaper for any individual with any taste.